What's up everybody, in this short video I'm gonna be showing you how to convert Ethereum into wrapped Ethereum. You will need this to make offers on NFT marketplaces like OpenSea. So first of all, what is wrapped Ethereum? It's a form of cryptocurrency that allows users to make pre-authorized bids that can be fulfilled at a later date without any further action from the bidder. So essentially it's a token and it's pegged to ETH. So one wrapped Ethereum always worth 1 ETH, and you will need this to bid on NFTs. So how I did it is through Metamask. This is a wallet that I used. It's a Chrome extension, you can get it as well. And after registering, you get your Ethereum address that you can see here, and you need to send Ethereum to this address. And after that, you will see your balance here. And to wrap your Ether, you will need to go here, enter the amount here, or what I do is go on OpenSea Pro. The process is almost the same, but I have my right wallet edit here, so you can see that I have 1.74 ETH and I have almost 0.2 wrapped ETH. And to wrap it, you just enter the amount. I'm wrapping 0.9 ETH. You click wrap and you will see the price of the transaction here, because you need to make a transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. I usually just go aggressive to get it quicker as well. It will take a couple of seconds to get the transaction through. I need to review my transactions through my cold wallet. Just 1 second. I accepted the transaction. It should go over in a couple of seconds. And now we have our Ethereum successfully wrapped. You can see that my new balance is 1.09 wrapped ETH, and it was deducted from my original balance. And to make an offer, check out my next video that I'm recording after this. Thanks.